Welcome to our channel. Brace yourself for heart-stopping moments that'll leave you on the edge of your seat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more excitement coming your way. Let's jump right into the action. Absolutely breathtaking. It looks like the other bridge is being born out of the smoke and ashes. This driver is really reckless. Watching the driver maneuver was truly a heart-pounding experience. Harsh weather conditions presented a massive challenge for these vehicles to keep moving. Navigating this dangerous road was a daunting task for those brave drivers. The sheer weight of the roller must have been the main reason it dangerously slid down the slope. I held my breath till the last second, but unfortunately, the excavator still tumbled down. This was one of the most challenging and perilous truck rescues I've ever seen. These sparks can lead to serious fires if not controlled in time. Just a few more centimeters, this excavator could have tumbled down into the abyss along with the debris. It looks like this smog is about to swallow this truck. Wow, that was by far the most impressive snow clearing operation I've ever witnessed. Wow, I held my breath as a truck charged up the slope and launched into the air at breakneck speed. What an incredible performance! Those logs are way too massive for this tractor to handle. It definitely needs something stronger. The lesson is clear. Always ensure the tailgate is open before overloading a dump trailer, especially on sloped surfaces. Oh no! This expensive yacht was carelessly transported, leading to an unfortunate disaster. What a dangerous landing! Thank goodness no one was hurt after this terrifying mishap. Well, traveling at that speed is definitely not the safest option at all. This strap is too loose to secure the excavator, leading to a disastrous plunge down the slope. Everything was going smoothly until this tank lost balance and dangerously tipped over. The barge couldn't withstand the weight of the overloaded rocks. Luckily, everyone escaped before it sank into the river. A heart-stopping moment. The car was fortunate to land safely when the cable suddenly snapped. Navigating a construction site is tricky, especially while unloading heavy equipment. What an unfortunate and ironic situation to get stuck in. Two guys were almost crushed by a crane. Luckily, they're safe. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to catch our next videos. It's not a simple chore to transport a huge wind turbine blade. Despite their best efforts, the farmers couldn't stop the fierce fire from engulfing the harvester. A lack of proper reinforcement was the primary cause of this unfortunate disaster. The fire erupted out of nowhere. Thankfully, the driver made it out safe. It seems the climbing prowess of this Cat 32D excavator isn't being put to good use here. This might just be one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. One slight misstep, and the excavator toppled over in a blink of an eye. I wonder what happened to that mixer truck. This mishap has cost the ship owner a fortune. It seems the cotton rolls completely blocked the forklift operator's view. This was indeed a serious construction accident. Electrical issues are always a top safety hazard. That stream of molten metal is unbelievably dangerous. What an unfortunate sight! You could feel the frustration on the worker's face as all the carefully harvested logs plunged straight into the water. This is truly an impressive but also extremely dangerous mining scene. Running was the best way to stay safe in that moment. Looks like this excavator has been working hard, relentlessly. The primary reason for this collapse was a loosely fastened bridge girder. I wonder what the tires must look like by now. This is a clear example of how dangerous a landslide can be. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to catch more thrilling moments like this. Even though the D11R is a powerful machine, it's really struggling with this massive boulder. A severe electrical fault has left this vehicle completely damaged. So dangerous! The vehicle suddenly zoomed past and tipped over in an instant. Everyone on board was evacuated, but this scene is truly heartbreaking for the ship. Curious how a giant excavator meets its end? Tune in to see the Rembrandt 256 being broken down into its individual parts. It seems like the wheel loader operator doesn't have enough experience to handle this situation properly. Oh no! The reckless driver got their vehicle stuck under the bridge. The sparks flying under this excavator are extremely dangerous for everyone working nearby. This container really needs a stronger lift machine. Finally, the boulder blocking the road has been removed. Oh no! The weight of the large vehicle was too much for the bridge. Look! The truck might be swept away at any time by the flowing river. We really hope you had a great ride. Please hit the like and subscribe if the action kept you on the edge of your seat. You'll be receiving even more incredible content soon. We appreciate your interest and hope to see you on the upcoming journey. Thanks for watching.